How to check Agoda Booking with your booking ID. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, and from here on out, you can just go ahead and simply tap on the address bar to search for agoda.com and then hit enter. Now, once you've done that, open up the first link that you see, agoda.com. Now, once you open up the link, you'll be directed to the official website. Just make sure that you are logged into your account of which you want to see the booking from, and at the top you'll find your profile name. Simply click on it and you'll find the bookings right here. If you head over to the bookings page, you'll be directed to your bookings, and if you want to check my bookings, tap on it. Now, once you get to your booking, you can see your upcoming bookings, your completed bookings, or your canceled bookings. Now, what you want to do here is simply find if you have canceled your previous booking or if you already have an existing booking. All of this will be shown right here. And if you have any active bookings, you'll find a search bar right here. You can simply enter your booking ID there to find your current booking. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.